So after you log in, you will find in your dashboard you will find apps. And what an app is, an app is just a project. So for every project that you want to integrate PayPal into, you need to create a separate app for it. And I'm going to be showing you how to use apps. And what's important here is that we have two tabs here, one for sandbox and the other for live. The sandbox is used for testing. The live, of course, is used whenever you are ready and you want to publish your application where real people will pay real money and will use your projects or web applications, websites, whatever. So here on the left side we have your account, we have the sandbox. So what's important here is the sandbox. Here you need to click on accounts, and you need to create two accounts. One account will represent the buyer and the other one will represent the owner, because the buyer is going to pay to the owner. So you need to create two accounts. Let me show you how you can do that. First, you need to click here on create account. And now I'm going to create an account which is going to be a personal buyer account. So the buyer again will pay to the business account. So I'm going to here select the country. You need to select your country and then click on create. And then here it's going to say the sandbox account was created successfully. So this is a sandbox account, this is a testing account. So we need to create another account that will represent the owner, the business. So you need to click here again on create account, and then you need to create a new account which is going to be this time a business account. Click on business, and then you need to select your country. I'm going to be selecting here the United States, and then click on create. And then here it's going to say again the sandbox account was created successfully. And if you scroll, you will find all of the accounts that you have. So here I have these accounts that I just created. One is a business account which is going to represent the owner, and the other one is the buyer which represents the customer or the buyer or the user. So the personal account will pay to the business, and you need to remember these emails. So I'm gonna be using, of course, in order to pay and in order to test, we need to use to log into the system using this personal account. I'm gonna be showing you that, because the personal, again, this account will pay to the business account. So you should by now have these two accounts on these three dots, and then click on edit account, edit view edit account. You will find that this account has been initialized with a money with around 5,000, I think. If you click on funding, you will find that it has $5,000. So this account has $5,000. And for the business account, it will, if you click on funding, here, funding, you will find that it has also $5,000. So the reason why this is important is because after testing, the amount of money will increase for the business and will decrease for the owner, for the personal account. So this is the second step. The third step is to create an app. So you need to click on My Apps and Credentials and create a new app. So here what you need to do is that you need to click on create app. Here, click on create app, and you will be able to create an app. So this is very, very important. You need to create an app and you need to give it a name. I'm going to say here my project, just my project. And then I'm going to click on here you need to select your merchant or platform, and here I'm going to select this option. And then this is very important, you need to select the business account. So the business account that I have just created is this one, is this email, and then just click on create app. That's it, pretty simple.